Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna be washing my M340 and I'm also with my boy Noel. I'm not sure if y'all can see him back there, but we're also gonna be washing his M340. So today's gonna be a car wash video. Sound good too. Oh man, we're actually going to a car wash that's pretty far, but that's the only laser wash that I know. But the funny thing about that is I don't even think I'm gonna use the laser wash. I think I'm actually gonna wash my car myself. Let me go with the pre-soak. What? Let me see. Anchor.
Es el freno, yo creo.
Oh, just pull it out. What the?
Oh shit, what the fuck?
What the hell? I pressure soap. Now the part that fucking sucks. Bueno.
Pero el interior tuyo está clean.
Bro, I try to keep it clean all the time. So we just finished cleaning the car. I try to wax it. I'm gonna clean the wheels. I'm gonna pull it out in the sun so I can show you guys. I haven't cleaned my windows yet, so don't look at that too hard. Now we about to clean this. Nah, déjame enseñarlo de este lado.
Yeah.
We about to...
Bro, la gente va a creer que estaba like confiando o algo, right?
Bro, this shit looks like you went off-roading. Pero vamos. Damn, my shit look clean. We just cleaned the car and we're gonna clean Noel's car now. Now let me show y'all what my car looks like. Bro, the color is crazy. Nah, it looks good. Damn. Alright, let's do yours. Now yeah, this one looks like you went off-roading. So yeah guys, he has a white M340. It's a 2020. He has the brown interior. He has laser headlights. But other than that, it's pretty much stock. It already looks better. Let me know when you want to switch. There's no way my car is getting wet right now. Oh no. I got you. Guys, look at the... Yo, ven a ver. You see it? Oh shit. Damn, the white looks good, bro. Damn guys, this white looks so good. What do y'all think about the color? Look good? Did I do a good job washing it?